Let me just wheel this back over here. Oh, please, please, boom, please. Even with the socks wrapped around the springs, it's loud when that happens. Sorry about yesterday, last night, this morning, whenever it was actually streamed. Yeah, so if anyone knows a sick way of increasing the amount of VRAM you have without, you know, spending £500 on a 20 series card, fuck's sake. Fuck's sake! You let me know in the But yeah, I think I did some testing after the stream, and the game was running very close to full RAM usage. It was like 3.7, and you obviously can't use the full 4 gigs. I think it's 3.89, and it's like it was, you know, on the edge, not streaming. So I guess that's the problem. Not enough VRAM, and OBS since the last update has become a lot more GPU intensive, which is great for everyone who has an RTX card. Not great for people who still live in the 900 series of NVIDIA graphics cards because they're poor. Hey. Okay, never mind. Let me just get this checked out that I am streaming. Let me just check the old stats for the stream stats. Good? Yeah. So it was causing, basically, because the GPU memory was full, essentially, of Star Wars. It was causing an issue where the OBS couldn't render a frame with the remaining resources, which was causing frame dropouts, etc., etc. Looks like we are live. It looks okay. Picture doesn't look too garbled or anything like that. So that says, yeah, looks fine. I'll stick that somewhere over unintrusively, just in case. Just in case. And let's continue. Got about an hour to kill, so kill an hour. I believe the last time we played this game, we got a really good SMG. Let's just test that out again. Beautiful, and there's no way of turning that down. 310 to Gaboom failed. I don't think that was a quest that I set out to not fail, so whatever, I don't really care. Sheriff from the ship Iridium mines back to house chat, brick was destroy the train, transport Iridium. Breaking a bank, rob a bank, undiscovered. Not all skags are dangerous. Not a clue. Not a clue. We were doing things. I guess maybe we could do this. Should probably finish those off. Well, that one. Let's go over do this. I want to catch a ride, I want fast travel. There's no fast travel here, is there? Mother skag. Let me just take this opportunity to once again complain about the control scheme of this game. It's just bad. Bad control scheme. Like, why would the first person shooter sensitivity be so high if the menu mouse sensitivity is so low? It's right, it's a valid question, okay? You can't tell me that's not a valid question. That is 100% valid question. Yeah. So, has anyone been playing the new Destiny? The new Destiny update. I really like how I can play all the strikes from all the DLCs. That's fun. Because just playing the strikes from the DLCs that I own was starting to get boring. I'll tell you that.
Enjoy the Hyperion XKCD experimental weapon. Custom designed for a murderer like yourself.
Welcome to Overlook. We're so pleased to see you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I bet it's terrible, isn't it? That's cool. That's not so bad because I've got the perk which boosts my accuracy, but that's not cool. We should inspect it, in fact, because it's got a cool skin. F to inspect. It's got a really cool pattern on it. That's a fairly cool looking gun. You know, all things considered, it's Hyperion, but eh. Woo! Woo! It's enough of that. So many of you may know that I have an extension down below. You need to scroll down real quick if you want to see it. It doesn't work. The latest followers extension is garbage. Sorry, latest followers. I'm sure you got hundreds of happy customers, but you got one unhappy customer. And I don't want to be like, don't install it, don't check it out. Check it out, install it, see if it works for you, because that'd be great. But it has not tracked any latest followers for me. It has not given me any options, and you can't celebrate in chat without a bits donation, which I think is just, I mean, some of us don't engage in bit like activities. But I have to just drop down. Yeet. How much damage did he just take? Full-on car dropped on you. This is not where we need to be going. I wonder where that leads. Oh, that leads to where we just came from, right? The dust. Cool. No. Yeah, boy. Hey, I'm bringing it with me. Yeah. So, for the moment, I'm... Whoa, okay. GG. Had like a train of thought there. I just completely brained. It's rubbish. If thumping you is wrong, I don't. Oh no. Wait, is that a Lonely Island reference? Damn, is this game, is that song that old? Well, I guess it was SNL. It was an SNL sketch, so maybe this game is that old. Maybe that sketch is this game's age. Aneurysm. Anyway, latest followers app doesn't work for me. So I thought to myself, these extensions are developed by someone somewhere out there, and they're not developed by Twitch, so that obviously means there's an API and there's a language and there's stuff that you can get into and develop your own extensions for personal, private, or public use. And you can, absolutely. dev.twitch.tv. Check it out. Develop your extension for your profile, for your page, for your whatever you're doing. I don't know. I had a train of thought beyond this. I swear I was talking about something else. Maybe we can learn that dude. But anyway, so I downloaded the test bed, the rig, the developer rig, and I downloaded a couple of things, some JavaScript stuff. I think I downloaded Node, and I'm pretty sure I downloaded Vue, or I'm not entirely sure I did though. It's all very scary stuff, and you have to. It's console commands. It's not very intuitive for the user. But I'm sure if I just go through the actual documentation properly, slowly and carefully, it'll make a lot more sense than just looking at it and screaming into the abyss because I don't know what JavaScript is or how it works. It's been a long time since I did any HTML as well. Jesus, I believe it or not, I used to quote unquote maintain a quote unquote website. It was like one of those free hosted things, Angelfire, I think. It was going to be a really cool thing with high score leader tables for me and all my bros when we play video games. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I've been into the whole welcome to the Mouth Noise stream video game leaderboard clan style idea of things for, I don't know, since I was like 15, 13. But like actual execution and implementation of the stuff is, you know, like it never really got beyond like plain text or like well, it got beyond plain text. I started using not padding, what do you call them, frameworks, not frameworks, but frameworks, like a framework, a physical framework, but not a framework. Jesus, what'd you call them? Table. So it was a table, and then all of the visual elements were arranged in the table with no padding. So this is how this was like cutting edge web design back in like 1992, I guess. Before then, it was just text. But yeah, it was really cool. It was really cool, at least to me, how you could have a table. You could put the table somewhere in your HTML, and then you could arrange your page elements, you know, your side buttons, your top buttons, your content with the scroll bar, and it had all that going, and it was actually really cool for me as a high school student, messing around and not actually making anything useful. I didn't, you know, but it was cool, and now I'm back to that, and it's daunting. Fire rate, load speed, grenade damage. She'll recharge delay. Recoil reduction. Gun accuracy. Oof. Gun damage. Gun damage! Yeah. What are we at on gun damage? 6.4% extra. That is statistically significant. Anyway, so yeah, if any of you guys are JavaScript Node backend developers or JavaScript Vue frontend developers, you phone me up and I'll have you work for free for the next 3 months while we develop this. I have started the project. I have registered the project with the Twitch API services, so it's on the board, but it's not released. It's still in quote-unquote beta version 0.0.1, as is professional to not release garbage code that doesn't work. Where am I now? Hidden journals. arms dealing. Also, Slap Happy. Slap Happy we can do. That's a boss fight. Slappy the Slapper. Eternal slaps for the... Whoa! No. Get me back in that driver's seat, you fiend. Can you... Oh, is it the small door? Yeah, you can fit a car through that. It's fine. But yeah, Destiny 2 update. It's great being back on the moon. That's great. Tangled Shore as well. That's a pretty cool area. I like how it's the area of the reef that's collided with the Dreadnought. That is so cool. Like, I mean, that's the only thing it can be, right? There's bits of Dreadnought everywhere. Like, or if someone's gonna be like, it's just a different Dreadnought somewhere else. No. Why would they go to the effort? Please. Sorry you had to hear that. Oh, I gotta place the arm. Okay. I was gonna say, why isn't it just spawning? It's just a spawning thing. Yeah.
That's right, Slappy. You smell it, don't you? That's the scent of a gentleman.
Oh wow. How did I end up getting 2 speaking weapons? This is such a fucking garbage rifle. Yeah. I know how to kill a Thresher. Jesus. Whoa. The fire rate is bad. Where is the... Where... Just throw a grenade at it. That usually works. Who is trying to shoot me here? Nope. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh! Oh goodness no. I'm dead. Game over. Game over, bro. But yeah, JavaScript is a thing. It's not a language that I'm particularly familiar with. And HTML is a thing, and it's the language that I'm particularly... Full HP, you bullshit motherfucking son of a bitch.
I feel, well, slightly underwhelmed, to be honest. Perhaps vengeance isn't all it's cracked up to be. Still, not your fault. Retrieve my arm and return at your leisure.
Retrieve that arm. But if anyone has like tips on JavaScript, like things to do, things not to do, big style protocols for processing sensitive Twitch data, like user ID codes. So basically, I just want to like replace the plugin that I have that doesn't work with exactly the same plugin, essentially, just with a couple of more finessed options. So the idea is, obviously, it collates per channel a list of all the users that follow and a date at which they followed. Maybe a time, maybe not a time. I don't think it really matters. It's obviously going to have a time, or I guess it doesn't. You can just populate it based on who does first what in each day, and the day and the date can be written to a spreadsheet, a table, a graph, whatever you want to call it. A text document, essentially, by the back end. So what happens would be... Should I really be discussing this? I mean, everyone's going to be like, oh, we have the same idea, but the implementation is really the meat and potatoes of the stuff. Its ideas aren't really that thing. But the second I say something, someone's going to have already done it, and it will cost money. Well, I guess it will cost money, actually. It's a Twitch, essentially. It costs money, really. They can cost bits, but that's different. That's a windsock, I've already got that. But there's an undiscovered area of terrain up here as well, so let's go up to this. It's down there. I don't want it to be down there, I want it to be up here. Oh yeah, that's Anyway, so basically, I want, you know, the last 10 people to follow a channel, the channel which installs the plugin, the extension. So the last 10 people to follow it in a list. And then a button, which is grayed out for people who do not follow. People who follow will have a countdown to their followiversary. And people who have a followiversary will have a button to celebrate in chat the followiversary. Depending on how the Twitch hoster, the caster, has configured the app, that will either cost bits or it will not cost bits. Or there could be options for, I don't know. Like, we can have like a V2. We can have a V2, don't worry. So much shit in this game. So much actual garbage weapon. Like, I wouldn't mind, like, if every weapon that you picked up was useful but different. But it's not. Like, every weapon you pick up is bare garbage. That's how loot shooters go. That's how the loot game goes. Even Diablo was like that, you know. You'd end up... You'd collect 14 rusty daggers of the Badger, and you'd sell 13 of them back to the dude. Keep the one with the highest. Get the fuck off me! And basically, I want... Threshers are like my least favorite enemy. Oh, mine's Stalkers. Threshers and hot loaders. God. But yeah. I didn't think it was going to be a lot of work, but there's a couple of things to figure out. There's one, the back end potentially has to be hosted. I was watching on the Amazon Web Services stream VOD that they had a thing called Lambda, which is like a variably hosted API. So like if the function gets called, it will start hosting the thing that it needs to host, but otherwise it's not on. So it's only on when you get when you actually need the hosting, which is great, and it's cheap, and the first million accesses of your function are free, which is bonus. That's a thing. But at the same time, if my extension costs me money, I would expect my extension to make me money, to at least cost me no money, if you understand my drift. The reason I would develop the extension is to provide a free resource for engagement, and as I understand it, there are no direct rewards for extension creation. Although there was a sweepstake back in April to pitch your development idea and be in for a chance of winning $1,000 of Amazon Web Service tokens, which would happily pay for any Lambda services that you would use. But I might look into that, because I don't think this is a thing that's going to be calling something a lot, and I don't think it's, well, I reckon it would be a marginally popular extension if it gets fledged, if it gets fully programmed and released, and people take it up instead of latest followers, because latest followers doesn't work for me, and I can only assume it doesn't work for a large handful of other people. What's this? Holy spirits. It's an enterable. What the hell? How have I never seen this before? Is this an event area? This is an event area, isn't it? What? What? Okay. Good. But yeah, so like if one user, if two users are using the app, the extension, it probably won't even cause 100 requests. But if everyone and their mothers on Twitch are using the extension, obviously it's going to go over 1 million easily, because it's a database call, and it will call the database when anyone joins whoever's hosting it, their stream, because it has to refresh. Basically, it has to manifest itself in a tab, and it needs to refresh the last 10 followers. Ka-ching! And then it needs to check what status the person who's refreshing is. I guess you can do that in the same call, but it would still need to process that in the back end rather than the front end. Okay, so that was hey. Okay.
All good, baby. All good.
What was I saying? Oh yeah. But yeah, it's and also programming there to be a web server with a lookup. No, no. Please, anything but that. Is that a gun? Jesus. Let's go sell all these shitty guns. Cool. I'm just it's not even like thinking about 3, not 4. Come on. It's not even thinking about like, what the fuck's sake. You know I meant to press Sanctuary, right? I've got to get me out of here. Okay. It's like, one, the coding is a challenge, and two, the protocols of the coding are a challenge because I don't know them or understand them. I can't understand them if I don't know them. That's it's a big hurdle. And it's just stressful thinking about things that I can't think about until I know how to, have your thing.
Scientifically, murdering old Slappy was probably a bad idea. Vengeance-istically, I thank you for your help.
So we got 317. We've got the value octo, which is 122 times 10, which is 1220 full damage. Looks pretty cool. Got a bit of a smudge on it. Is that okay? You got that grenade attack though at the end though, so that's pretty cool. I think we'll equip that instead of the hot button Bane. As for sniper rifle, no plans. I didn't sell any of my guns. I fast traveled. Wow. Big idiot moments. I can't sell things at the Iridium store, but can I buy something at the Iridium store? 16. Backpack? 50. Damn. Sniper ammo? 12, possibly. Bank? 12. Bank. But yeah, I guess I'll go back to the old Solo Learn app. I'll go through the JavaScript. Is this? Oh, it's white. Barking Rake Hell. I guess we've got to keep that just in case we need it. Snapping Grenadier. Ooh, and look at that. Reactive crowdsourcing. Don't care. Ordinary Long Rider. Don't care. Royal Home Security. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Ooh. 399, 42. It's gone. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Relics, I want to keep that. Fire rate, melee damage. Don't keep that. Grenade mods. Nope. I gotta keep that because it's better. It's funny because it gives you a bunch of roid damage, but it's also an incest joke. And yeah, you gotta do the quest to find the punchlines. Max health. We don't want any of those. Let me just check the rocket launcher there. 4448 versus 4447. What a shame. That's a Maliwan too, so that's... It's 3, but it's only 2. Check the assault rifle, in fact. Check the assault rifle. 278. Three ammo per shot. Ah, bullshit. It's getting sold. Stupid. That's so stupid. But yeah.
Haven't found anything good. My weapon machines will fix that for you.
Wish they would. See, even now it's dragged me down, man. Thinking about this whole development thing, it's like, it's interesting. I personally find interest in it, but at the same time, it's just fucking, it's a brainoid nightmare, man. Brainoid nightmare, dude. Cold shower. Let's do that.
Hey, you met my girl, Laney?
Just like that one stream where I spent 3 hours twisting my brain in half trying to get that open, you mother... Okay. It's a bottom. Don't worry. getting that that thing quote unquote working. It didn't actually work. Like the way the tutorial showed it, it was like it would call the absolutely not. Need a grenade. Okay. I don't want to deal with any of this. Oh yeah, I unequipped the thing. All of my weapons suck, and this is an early area in the game. Oh my god. Oh, there's a whole bunch of rack. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. I'm behind this. I'm behind the shot. You get like a constant spread. If you're not like a massive idiot like me, you keep throwing your ammo away with your guns. Oh my god. It's like, you want some cash? It's like, I have 65 grand. If only I could save money like this in real life. Sell everything I find. Don't keep. Whoa. What the fuck just happened? What? Oh! Oh! The mugging! Hey! Oh my god. That's why I hate this area. I'm down half my money. Literally half my money in a second. Fuck's sake. Not like I was using it, but... What we got, what we got, what we got, what we got, what we got. Howdy. No! Oh. How was I caught on there? I just want the cash. Good cash. What time are we on? Oh, 7 minutes to 7. Wow. Okay. Oh. 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 Make it rain. There's no flowers in here. We've got to go around to get to the other half of the flower section. Good meme. Good meme. Good meme. Yeet. Yeah! Should probably just switch the pistol instead of wasting all my rockets. Big thing. God damn it. Woo! These swan songs are getting a little bit, is that my grenade? I don't remember that being my grenade. Well, we've made back 10k at least. I say at least. Am I going to use that 10k for? Nothing. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing. For fuck's sake.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. We did it. What's this? Alright. Whatever. No. Absolutely not. Oh, look, there's the last flower and we can leave. Oh. Yeah, completely forgot about that. Who's shooting me? Oh. Gotta get all the pizza.
I bet Lanny will stop craving human flesh as soon as she smells them slices. Why would anyone ever be a cannibal so long as pizza exists?
And then you gotta do some wild bullshit to get the last piece, don't you? Wild bullshit, it's like, it's, where is it? It's up there. Big bullshit, jumping puzzle. Because this game does not support jumping puzzles. This game engine does not support jumping puzzles. I reckon I can just cheese it up the side. I don't think I can. It's the correct method for doing this, I wonder. My favorite bit is where I teleport backwards. There is just a slope here. You can just walk up the other side. And I am an idiot. The frigid cleft. Description. Yeah, I remember looking down here and shooting the crit. This is where we fucking started. Yo. Yo. Yo.
Looks like you got what you need to unbrainwash Laney. That's a word now.
Flowers, pizza. It is so kind of you to bring me such gifts. Perhaps I was wrong to join the rats.
That's my girl. I knew you'd come back to me sooner or later.
Was that Scooter? Why do you think I fled here? It was the only place Scooter would not follow me with his stupid advances.
Oh shit.
You must die!
Who the hell are those little dudes? Blaney's been shacking up with Tanafa? That I cannot abide. Wipe those dwarves out, man!
Out of ammo. Out of... Fuck it. Yeet! Yeet!
Go ahead and blame all that rage on the being turned into a rat thing. Unless on the scooter was a bad boyfriend thing. Easier for everybody that way, see? Still we tried. Come on back.
Nope.
You know, they have feelings too. If you were a better shot, you wouldn't need to reload.
I feel like there's a boss monster in here.
Well, at least you stopped shooting pigs in the wall. They might have been raised in a broken home. Oh, great. Now you're wasting ammo. Murder by most definitions. Better shot, you wouldn't need to reload.
You can keep that white SMG, my dude. Oh.
If you were a better shot, you wouldn't need to reload. Oh, great. Now you're wasting ammo. Not donating to charity. You correctly murder thousands of people every day.
Hmm.
Stay back! Do not follow them!
And crystal core pit. This doesn't look like a friendly area. Ah.
Shot, you wouldn't need to reload.
Oh hey.
Mine!
At least you stopped shooting for a little while.
What? Nope. Can I just pass through this?
Good job ending that life.
Use the shotgun for a while. Yeet. Stop kicking me. Why are you bullying me? Whole bunch of white loot. White loot, man. Well, that's a big no. Oh, hey, look. Not taking any damage, motherfucker. Oh my god. Fuck off. Like, literally fuck off. Yeet. Big yeet. Oh my god, it's almost half 7. Quarter past. Did they home in? A little bit. A bit home in. And then surface? The Rack Cave. Oh, right, okay. Oh, cool. Always wondered how to get up here.
Another story to sing to the cages. You'll be back, my little sweet
Oh. Some sick shields in there. Grenades. What the fuck are you talking about? Some sick grenades in there. Let's just jump the gap, and then I think I'll probably save and leave. So... Oh. Why am I here? Why are any of us here? Ah, no. That's a big negatory.
can taste you already.
Do you mean full?
Russell!
I like it. This is a much better revolver than what I had before. It does like twice the damage too. Impressive. And there's a thing here, drop down. Oh, but ostensibly there's a lever to pull it in here, right?
Why shoot?
It goes all the way down there. Maybe not. Who knows? Shit. I don't know. Doesn't look like you can jump back up here, but that does definitely go out here. Up, up. To there, and then all the way down there. Not to this. That is something else. Interesting. We can't access that yet. Maybe it's a quest. It's probably a quest. These things are usually quests. This is a one-way drop. This is a two-way drop. There's a ladder right there. I'm an idiot. With no eyeballs. Idiota. Oh, but this goes down behind the entryway. Ah! Interesting grenade. Head stuck in a box. Good. Okay, full ammo. And can't go in there. Why would anyone give me a Jacobs? Wait, is there a... No, there's not. It's up here. Let's just get back to the teleporter. Let's go see Scoop. Bye. Yeah. In fact, we can sell all this shit that we picked up. Ah, barking rake howl. That is the sniper rifle I have. Have. Hot button 1. Light ratatatater. Longitudinal. Sell the long arm because we don't need any more. $4.94. That wins. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. $5.19. $5.19. $3.99. Well, we have a $5.19, but oh, that's a Mali one, so we won't sway around all the time. There, we can sell that. It's already unlocked. We can't sell that one though. It's not already unlocked. It's cool. Pandora Sun. Yeah. Loved Singularity. Sticky homing shock singularity. Nice. Nice. I have to equip that. Throw in Merv, rubbish. Throw in Sludge Grenade, rubbish. Throw in Merv now. Love Thumper. Nope. 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 Oh, so we didn't pick up any good shields. Oh.
Not that.
Well, that's not... Because that's a Merv grenade, right? It does 4 times that, so it's 4k. Let's just sell these grenade mods then.
I need your business.
Let's just sell them. Ugh, in it.
Good luck.
Let's turn this in, and we'll be done. I've just realised that dot stands for damage over time. And that is why we don't live in the fridge, ladies and gentlemen. All those rats, they stole our monies. Dust is fine. I don't mind fighting bandits. Rats, they're small. They're alive.
Freaking rats, man! I was this close to finding out what second base feels like. And also what second base is!
What is it? Reptilian? Apparently I haven't unlocked it yet. Boom. Well, anyway, that was Borderlands 2. Oh. That was my 1250th lootable box. What's that flickering on the way down? Oh no. Oh baby Jesus. Please, volumetric fog. Decide what orientation you want to render in before you render in. Hey. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. There's no way I can get over there. It won't even let me jump off the side. So that was Borderlands 2. I'm gonna go now. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? The fuck? What the fuck is that? It's getting shot, that's what it is. Shot. Disgusting. Nope. Okay, well, let me jump that way either. So that was Borderlands 2. Don't come in now. Sorry. That was Borderlands 2. Thank you for watching. If you did tune in. Even if you just tuned in, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching the VOD. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Plenty of good content in the VODs, both on the Twitch and the YouTube. Link down there, my buddies, if you want to check out previous streams. Or the first 9 episodes of Monster Hunter World before OBS decided it wanted to be a GPU program instead of a CPU program. Anyway, that being said, thanks again for tuning in. And I will see you guys when I open OBS and shut down the stream in the next episode.